Hi Morgan, some feedback on your annotated bibliography. So I highlighted a few things here, and now I'm going to go back through them so we can kind of talk about them one by one. So the first thing I noted here was the highlighting of the title here, the Haynes and Special Issue Ecosystem Engineering Proceedings. So I think that the author ends here, like G. Haynes is the author, and then I'm wondering if this is special issue is zoogeomorphology. I don't know, like, I guess what I'm saying is I don't know what the title is. Sorry. I can't tell. I can tell that this is proceedings of a conference, the 42nd Binghamton, sorry, I didn't write that very clearly, the 42nd Binghamton Symposium, and I can see when it's held and all that stuff. And then I think that maybe this Elephants as Earth Movers, maybe that's the title of the person's talk. And then, but geomorphology, this looks like the title of a journal, which it could be the name of the journal proceedings, and then this looks like the page range. So maybe we need to look at it again, but I'm not quite sure how I would find this. So this citation's really wonky. It might just be that it's a hard one to figure out how to cite, and that would make sense. I would understand that. Okay, so next one, I noticed that you highlighted the month, which you don't need in APA, although you might be using science, I'm wondering. Also on the end there's a parentheses, which there's no beginning parentheses. I suspect that had to do with, I don't know, page range or something. Let's see. There's another one down below, so it's the same thing. I wonder if this was like using a citation generator and then not going in and fixing it. So check that out when you go back. But what I did notice is I wondered about credibility. What makes the conference proceedings credible? And then also, did you notice any comparisons between these sources? I didn't see that in your annotations yet. I will point out that on the very first citation you say this article, but I'm not sure whether it's an article. So maybe it's an article that came out of a conference proceeding. That happens. So you'll want to check that source. And then in the second one, you also wrote this article, but I can't really tell if this is an article. And the main reason I say that is because according to this, either this looks like it's a one-page article on page 7,000 of the journal Nature. So if it's one page, it's not an article. So something's not right. It's either maybe that's the volume number, or maybe it's the number of pages, but there needs to be a page range. And then same kind of thing below, again, same issue. So these are the same kinds of things going on. All right, I hope that helps. You make your revisions to your next bibliography.